First go to the file and choose open. Select this old man image, click open. Now take the quick selection tool and click on select subject. Press Ctrl Z to duplicate the selection part. Hide the top layer, right click on this layer and choose select pixels. Select the bottom layer. Now go to select, modify and choose expand. Increase the expand by option to 10 pixels, press OK. Open edit and choose fill. Here select content aware option, press OK. Go to select and choose deselect. Expose the top layer, select the bottom layer. Now go to the filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Here increase the blur radius to 50 pixels. Press OK. Let's see the final result.